You know, today there is a news report which says that India is going to allow a game changing injection for weight loss. What is game changing? What that means is that people would experience the magic of weight loss so well or so greatly with this injection what they have never experienced it before. So it will be great, it will be very even weight loss, and it will just make the person who's using the injection, feel good or get a feeling of wow. This injection is built or manufactured or created in US, and then it is looking for markets to get introduction into and then get distributed in. Now I want to show you something. If you see, these were some leaves. You would wonder what are these leaves. These are guava leaves, and every day if you just when you boil your tea, black tea, and if you add maybe one or two guava leaves in it, you will have a guava tea which is ready. And once you drink a tea which is made up of guava leaves, it will contract your stomach. And not just your stomach, it will contract your organs. You won't believe, I have experienced the magic of guava leaves every time I've had it. I almost feel if my organ or my stomach was this much, and if you took a very strong concoction of guava tea, it just became even more contracted. It is doing nothing but building the muscles in your organs, including your stomach. So, I have detailed my experience in the article that I have attached, which you can read. And somehow, I believe either the administrator doesn't care for the people or is just given into the corporate nonsense that bring in as many injections and tablets as possible. We will introduce it all to our people. When all they have to do is tell people that every day people should drink a guava tea. Take few guava leaves, boil it in a water, boil it with the water, let it cool down for some time, and then pour and have it for yourself. If some like, you can add a tea leaves also, just for coloration or some taste. And then further on, if people want to add sugar, they can, but it's not needed. You will take maybe a day or two to get used to it, but it's a very wonderful tea to have. It will control your hunger pangs. You won't be able to unnecessarily just keep eating forever if you're used to going on eating forever and then therefore have a obesity problem. It will control, this tea, guava tea will control your emotions of eating. And it will also contract your stomach so that you don't overeat. It will tell you much earlier that you are full, your body doesn't need as much food. What is the problem of having an injection being introduced in India for a weight loss situation or obesity situation? One, there is a study by Lancet. It is a research group based in UK, which said more than 50% of Indian population does no physical activity. We are like vegetable existence, more than 50% of Indians. We can't walk 1 kilometer. We can't bend beyond certain angle. We can't jump as well. We can't swim as well. We can't climb as well. All because Indians have a 50% of and more have a no physical activity existence. The government is not saying we are going to change it and we are going to mandate it that everybody will go walking, swimming, climbing mountains 2 hours a day. It doesn't say everybody will focus on a good health and therefore will start to drink guava tea. There are so many different teas with different benefits. How does somebody become so obese that every day you need not every day, but on a regular basis, you need an injection to control your weight loss? What is the joy of introducing this drug? Now, this pharma company, whichever will come in, will set up their base. They will take up a certain agricultural land or some land. They'll build a huge factory. Then they will build injections and start selling these injections. A guava tree doesn't need the size of a factory to be grown. Anybody can grow it if they have a backyard in a very free space. What is better, to have some manufacturing plant making an injection for weight loss, or just having a nice tree, guava tree, lined up guava trees where you can pluck some leaves and make a tea for yourself? I don't know where is the administrator's mind. They're just going on introducing drugs or these tablets and injections, when all they have to tell people is to have a very healthy diet and a very active lifestyle. Everybody should go walking. Everybody should run for 1 hour a day. How will you have a obesity problem? India has the highest vitamin D deficient population, which means nobody takes sun. Vitamin D deficiency is lack of sun. Nobody steps out of the house. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. It's too hot. Let's just sit in the house. What to do with the population like this? And the government doesn't seem to say anything. Hot or no hot, everybody will go run for 1 hour a day. You'll never get an obesity problem. Your vitamin D deficiency will also go away because you are out in the nature, in the sun for 1 hour every day. Even when it is not a blazing sun and it's just a regular day, even with a lot of shade, there is still lot of sunlight, which is hitting us. Some people think only if it is blazing sun and super hot, only then the sun is falling on us. No, even when it is a decently shaded day, there is lot of sunlight we are taking in, and that's a vitamin D. People are taking medicines and injection for vitamin D deficiency also, because the world's highest vitamin D deficient population is in India, and India is the one of the sun richest countries, which means we get the most sun in the world and a very good sun and sunlight. Still we are not taking this sunlight and we are vitamin D deficient. Who's going to educate the population? Who's going to change the health of the people? Who's going to change the regime of the people? Everybody should be told, go take a swim for 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day, 40 minutes a day. For everything you should be walking than just driving or taking a bus. If it is just a 1 kilometer, just walk. It's just sad to hear this news, and I think administrator is not up to up to doing any work. When you are introducing drugs like weight loss, game changing drug for weight loss, what is game changing here? This drug should not be allowed. Instead, people should be told, everybody go running, everybody go jogging for this much amount of time, everybody change your diet. You should definitely eat this much leafy vegetables. You should definitely drink guava tea if you have an obesity problem. Read my article in the description box.